In this video, we'll make our character display a trail that follows the sword. To do this, we'll use track bindings. Track bindings help avoid conflicts with other bindings by considering the name of the track in any timeline we load. For the sword's trail, we can use the one in the demo. In the project panel, look for Fighter and double-click on it to open the prefab. Once it's open, we'll head over to the hierarchy panel, and in there, look for Blade Trail, then copy the game object. Then clear the search bar and exit the prefab. And find the sword bone object, then right-click on it and select Paste as Child. We'll also copy a track that already uses the blade trail. In the project panel, look for the Swing Attack 01, which is a timeline from the demo. Let's open it. Over the timeline panel, on the left column, we'll right-click on the blade trail track and select Copy. Now, let's go back to our timeline and paste the track there. Finally, in the hierarchy panel, select the sample character and, in the inspector, we'll add an entry to the track bindings where the track name will be Blade Trail, and we'll drag the Blade Trail object from the hierarchy to the bound property of our script. We are done. Let's hit the play button. By ensuring the track name matches the name in any timeline, we can manipulate the component of the object we selected in the EnhancedTimelinePlayer